let's go over the best 1 meal a day diet schedule if you're starting out with intermittent fasting. If you just want to eat 1 meal a day to lose weight and improve your health, how many days a week should you do it? And I think most people make a mistake and try to jump into it too hard and try to only eat 1 meal a day, multiple days during the week, when they should really just start with 1 day within the week. Just follow the OMAD diet 1 day. And I think you should do it on a Sunday. Because Sunday is a different day. I think it's very easy to do the 1 meal a day diet on a Sunday. So for example, you wake up in the morning, you're not working, right? You have a little black coffee, you have some green tea, you drink a lot of mineral water. Hopefully you have time to maybe do a little exercise in the morning. Maybe you take a nice 1 hour walk, nice and relaxed, you do a nice fasted cardio session, right? You come back from your walk, you read the newspaper, you go on social media, you keep yourself busy, and then it's nice to have a nice big feasting meal kind of earlier than when you normally would have dinner. Let's say you break your fast around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe you have family or friends come over. See, traditionally in my house, my brother and my parents would come over every Sunday, and I don't want to overeat. So what I would do, I would fast all morning. I would take a 2-hour fasted walk. My parents and brother would show up around 2 o'clock. We'd have a big meal starting around 3 to 5 or maybe 3 to 6. And then I'd be done eating for the rest of the day. I think it really works. So if you want to lose some weight, you want to improve your health, and you want to start experimenting with the OMAD diet, try it on a Sunday. Follow that exact protocol. Walk on an empty stomach in the morning, drink some black coffee. It doesn't have to be a 1 hour meal. You can break your fast with an OMAD strategy lasting 2 or 3 hours. It's kind of like a feasting meal, but then once you're done eating, don't eat any more food for the rest of the night. So you're going to be eating, say, between 3 to 6 o'clock. You're going to be reducing calories. It's going to help you lose weight. Plus, it's an easy way to ease you into intermittent fasting. And obviously, besides the OMAD diet, there's also a 16-8 where you're fasting 16 hours, taking all your calories with an 8-hour eating window. Another great strategy. There's the 18-6 where you just fast 2 more hours long. You fast for 18 hours, right? There's the 24, that's like the warrior diet, where you're fasting for 20 hours, taking all your calories within a 4-hour eating window. And then there's the OMAD diet, like we just talked about, when you're taking in all your calories with just 1 meal. But in my opinion, it doesn't have to be a 23-hour fasting window. Initially, it could just be a 21-hour fasting window. Start there. You're going to be doing this intermittent fasting hopefully for the rest of your life. Amazing way to lose weight, amazing way to increase your insulin sensitivity. There's so many health benefits to being in a fasted state. But start off easy. Now, if you want a more structured program on how to lose weight and improve your health with intermittent fasting, check out this video.